Well, it says it over and over again, it must be true. Nylon pouch. Decent enough. Probably won't end up using it really anyway. Single stitch. Standard belt loop. Velcro. And the knife. Hex head right here on the pivot. It's convenient because that's more common. As far as the tools, you'll have to adjust it. Studs as always. Belt clip. Good liner lock. Holds well. Nice spring. It is sharpened only on one side. It does come alright sharp out of the box. Company brand. Fits good in the hand. The finger flip works alright. I haven't adjusted it yet. Overall, 19 centimeters, maybe 2 or 3 millimeters over that. Exposed blade length, 8 centimeters. Blade width, 2 centimeters. The base. Nice.